American guinea pig. This is one of the most common types of guinea pigs and is known for its short, smooth coat. It originally comes from South America and is easy to care for. American guinea pigs are friendly and calm, making them perfect for beginners. Abyssinian guinea pig. This type is recognized by its rough, rosette patterned fur that sticks out in different directions. It also comes from South America. Abyssinian guinea pigs are energetic and playful, which makes them fun pets to watch. Peruvian guinea pig. Peruvian guinea pigs are known for their very long, silky hair that can grow several inches. They require regular grooming to keep their coat clean. These guinea pigs are gentle but need more care compared to other types. Silky guinea pig. Also known as Sheltie guinea pigs, this type has long, smooth hair that flows backward. They have a calm and sweet personality. Silkies are popular because of their beautiful appearance and friendly nature. Teddy guinea pig. Teddy guinea pigs have short, dense, and slightly rough fur that looks like a teddy bear. They are easy to maintain and have a playful personality. This makes them a great choice for families. Hairless guinea pig. Hairless guinea pigs, also called skinny pigs, have little to no fur on their bodies. They need extra care to stay warm and protected. Despite their unique look, they are very affectionate and friendly. Baby guinea pig. Baby guinea pigs are born with fur and open eyes, which makes them more independent than many other animals. They quickly learn to walk and eat solid food. Their small size and cute appearance make them very appealing. Adult guinea pig. Adult guinea pigs are fully grown and develop their own habits and personalities. They are more stable in behavior and easier to handle. At this stage, they require a balanced diet and regular care. Guinea pig diet. Guinea pigs mainly eat hay, fresh vegetables, and specially made pellets. They need vitamin C in their diet to stay healthy. A proper diet helps them grow well and remain active. Guinea pig behavior. Guinea pigs are social animals that enjoy living in groups. They communicate using sounds like squeaks and whistles. Understanding their behavior helps owners take better care of them and build a strong bond.